kumndlovukazi, kumkanikazi, Mantombi Dlamini Zulu. Namhlanje singqala siyanqukuleka kumzwe Afrika kuphela. Sithi inkomo enqoma ke kambengenene intsangu ibhekwa ngoba kaloku umvela inqangi umntatile unozala weAfrika imazembele mde imazemabele abhunxileyo kokuncancisa indwathi ungenenketha amaseliliswe kodwa ke sithi goduka mzukulwane kangwane wena phuza wasembelebeleni ulatsunganzaba iintaba zasemtsimba. You are the symbol of the Africa that we want to see. You are the symbol. Oh, you are the lioness. You are the symbol of universal infinite energy. You will forever live. Oh! Like Queen Nani of the Maroons, you are the symbol of bravery. Like Queen Nefertiti of the ancient Egypt, you are the symbol of cultural revolution. Like Queen Cleopatra of the ancient Egypt, you are the symbol of religious revolution. Like Queen Mujaji of Ababedi Kingdom, oh, you are the symbol of infinity. You are the symbol. Like Queen Heptisi of the ancient Egypt, you will forever live with us. You are the symbol of global, universal, infinite energy. You exude law of paradoxical. You exude law of harmony. Mantombi Dlamini. Your name is written on the mighty Drakensberg, Pasco Kahlamba, Mantombi Dlamini Zulu. Your name is written on Cape Galahad, where two mighty oceans meet, Queen Manftombi Dlamini Zulu. Your name is written on Orange River that rises from the Lesotho Mountains and travel across the desert to the west, Queen Manftombi Dlamini Zulu. We will always remember you for memories of our heritage. It helps us to preserve our cultural integrity, sustain our heritage intelligence, and maintain our traditional protocol. God to
kule nyanga yeAfrika thatha ngamehlo engqondo ekunikeza ekuphonsa kwindawo ezahlukahlukene kwimifula nezintaba zezwekazi laseAfrika. Khona ke lapha phakathi kwethu umama Jessica Mbangeni esikhuluma naye njengoba uzwile nje libhonga ibhubesikazi. Ngizosebenzisa lelo gama ke kulolu suku lwanamhlanje. Sakubingelela ma.
Inkosi Photimola.
Siyabonga kakhulu empeleni into eyenza ukuthi thina njengama-Afrika sehluke kwezinye izizwe ukukwazi ukuthi eyimene ifana nalezi kodwa sikwazi ukusukuma sidonsa amandla simmemeze ngalendlela kade wenza ngayo kubuyisele ubuqhawe. Ngicabanga ukuthi lokho kugcwele kuwe uma usuke uhaya ngalendlela.
Singabantu besintu sabo. Nembali yethu ithi ibhalwe sithi. Today is the powerful symbol of what Africa has written in its books. Ngoba kaloku, like Queen Cleopatra of the ancient Egypt, through it all she died a queen. And sizawuzeka emzekweni. We are drawing our strength as women. We are drawing our strength as the nurturers of the nation.